conducted, Yash conducted the whole retreat for us. He curated it in such a nice way. We had so much safety around. We had so much love, compassion, joy, togetherness, holding space for each other with a lot of vulnerability and courage. And I think that just stands out.
There's so much in our bodies that we don't really explore, and it's locked inside us. So we just have to find it, and that takes some time, and that takes some exploration, and also takes a community of people supporting you. So there's fire in me, there's water in me, there's earth in me, and there's wind in me. I just have to bring that out in my dance, and hopefully I'll do that now.
Emotional exploration was the theme for me, and it just allowed us to flow and be. And I think it never felt like we were with a group of strangers, because it just felt so welcoming, inviting, and safe and happy. And there was a lot of movement, which is always happening.
Special shout out to you guys. You guys have planned it really well. You sense the emotions of the group, and we felt that it's not an activity or a class that we have to take go this and then this and this. It was all connected. We were all together, jamming our energies and coming on a conclusion to where to go from here, which activity to do next. And that was really, really
It was something that helped me connect to me, the nature around me, taking a lot of, inspiration from it, inspiration from the people around. What a lovely, lovely, lovely community.
Flux gave me that in terms of skill, but the even better thing that it gave me was a community where people felt and made you feel like home. They were very helpful throughout, making me feel like I can grow with them, and it's going to be a fun journey. And I think that's what I experienced here.
This place at the moment. It is just a beautiful experience, and I think I will cherish this forever. And thank you to Sada and Yashu for organizing this beautiful 3 days. Nobody could have done this any better.
People themselves were so engaging that we just wanted to chill around with them, talk to them. The kind of activities that we did, everything was brand new for me, but it just felt so comfortable doing those things for the people that we really enjoy. And yeah, if you ever get a shot to be here, do come to this retreat, experience how things go here. You'll love every bit of it, and you'll probably find me there too. So I will look forward to see you there.
Super grateful for this space, for these people, for dance, for having this beautiful humans in my life. And I would really want you all to come experience this. Give it a shot. It's going to really change your life. I think Hallelujah was the moment when I found Flux, and yesterday when I was dancing with all these people on this, it really made me feel so seen, heard, and understood and held. So thank you for this intimate, deep, authentic, brave retreat that you all put together. I'm super grateful. Thank you.